So the first thing that you want to do is to preheat your oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure your oven is preheated. We're going to start doing for the dry ingredients first. I'm putting the cake flour, that will be 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using with the unbleached kind. And also putting a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. That's going to be for the cake flour. And to that I'm putting 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder for leavening rice and 1/2 teaspoons of salt. And we're just going to stir that together with the wire whisk. And we're going to set this aside for the dry ingredients to make strawberry flavor cake. So in a separate bowl, I have a room temperature butter, unsalted butter. That would be 1 stick of that. I'm going to put 1 cup of granulated sugar. You want to make sure the butter is nice and room temperature to soften up. And we're going to do it by hands as well. And if you want to use electric stand mixer, you could use it. You can speed up with your process. You're going to make it cream that together until light and fluffy. I'm going to use it with a wooden spoon. Got the butter and the sugar has been creamed together, light and fluffy. I'm going to put in 4 medium eggs. Make sure these eggs are room temperature. I'm going to put in one at a time, and then we're going to add each egg for this addition. Make sure it's going to be nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of strawberry extract, and this is going to be yummy strawberry taste, so that'd be a lot greater. And I just already pureed 1/2 cup of fresh strawberries that I just removed the seeds, and then I don't want to get sturdy with the seeds on it, but we're just going to put this in here, dump that all things together. And I'm going to put in 3-ounce packages of strawberry flavor gelatin. Just keep that strawberry flavor. I'm just going to use all of that pack. You can use any brand names you want, like gelatin, or I'm using Jello, or you can use any names of the gelatin pudding, but it's going to be a lot better flavor. I like to use this one because I like that beautiful one. I'm using Jafran, and just gonna keep going. Look at those strawberries, and it turns beautifully red and bright pink. And now we're gonna add the dry to the wet, and then we're gonna combine all together. I'm going to switch from the wooden spoon to the wire whisk. So let's put this all together. And give this a whisk. Give a nice smooth batter. Almost there for a smooth batter. And the last thing, I'm going to put in 1/4 cup of whole milk. And then just keep going for the whisk. And we're almost there for a nice and smooth batter. You can see how bright the pink strawberry was in this batter. And I'm going to put it into the 8 or 9 inch round cake pans lined with parchment paper. And then we're going to pour half the batter each pan for one. This is going to be for the layer cake. Now I just already sprayed 2 prepared 8 inch round cake pans, or 9 inch, either way. I sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray that I lined with some parchment paper because it's easier to release from the pan after it's baked for the oven. And you want to take half of the batter. I'm going to use it with the ice cream scooper. You want to spoon that over here with each pan. All filled in here. You can spread it on each side, or you can also jiggle it like I did for it. And you can use it with the butter knife, or you can use it with the back of the spoon. Alright, that goes into your oven for 25 to 30 minutes. After just about 25 or 30 minutes, I just took it out of the oven and then put it on a wire rack to cook completely. I already using a toothpick to insert it into the center of the cake, and it just comes out clean. and then we're going to let this cool on a wire rack, and then we're going to frost it. Okay, here it is. I just frosted the entire cake that I just already layered. I cover it with strawberry frosting, and I add some more fresh strawberries all over the top, and this is going to be so sweet, and it's going to be so much delicious. And here's the finished strawberry cake. Enjoy.